Welcome back to Tech Vibe, the place where we explore the latest innovations in tech and break them down in ways that matter to you. If you've ever dreamed of merging the freedom of standalone VR with the power of console gaming, then the 2025 Meta Quest 3S Xbox Edition is something you'll want to hear about. Stick with me, because this headset could change the way you think about gaming forever. At first glance, this special edition looks familiar but refined. The weight is balanced better, making it more comfortable for long sessions, while the matte finish with subtle Xbox branding gives it a sleek identity. The straps feel sturdier and more breathable, showing that Meta paid attention to real-world user feedback. Inside, the visuals are sharper and brighter, with a higher refresh rate that makes motion buttery smooth. Paired with upgraded lenses, you get reduced glare and a wider field of view that truly draws you in. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters or exploring massive RPG worlds, everything feels fluid and lifelike. Performance-wise, Meta has optimized this headset for both standalone and Xbox-connected use. You can play cloud-based Xbox titles or native VR experiences with little to no latency. Switching between modes feels effortless, and the processing power holds up even in demanding environments. Battery life has been extended enough to comfortably handle multi-hour sessions, and the improved fast charging means less waiting around. The audio is more immersive, with spatial sound delivering directionality that makes a big difference in competitive play. The biggest attraction, though, is the way it bridges platforms. You can access Xbox Game Pass titles while still enjoying Meta's VR ecosystem, essentially doubling your library and giving you freedom of choice. That versatility alone makes this headset stand out. Price-wise, it's positioned as a premium device, but considering the combined value of standalone VR and Xbox integration, it's not unreasonable. Still, it won't be for everyone, especially if you're on a tight budget. In terms of drawbacks, the headset is still a bit bulkier than some rivals, and not all Xbox games feel fully optimized for VR or mixed reality yet. But with updates and developer support, that's likely to improve over time. Overall, the Meta Quest 3S Xbox Edition is a bold move that brings two gaming worlds together. It's not just about VR anymore, it's about choice, flexibility, and giving players more ways to experience what they love. This has been Tech Vibe, your go-to space for exploring the future of tech. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more deep dives into the devices shaping tomorrow.